The sound of these wipers are so irritating when driving. Let's try fixing this. You can leave the wipers on, but I'm going to go ahead and take this wiper off to carry out this task, just to show you better how it's done. Now just make sure the rubber blades has no heavy wear or tear or cracks on it, otherwise it's best replacing them. Now from time to time the windshield wiper blades will gather a lot of dirt and grime, and this could be one of the reasons of the squeaky sounds. To clean this off, I'm using 2/3 of rubbing alcohol with 1/3 of water mixed. Apply on one side of the cloth, or best if you can, use a microfiber one, and just work your way through the blades, giving them a nice clean. Do not apply heavy pressure as this may damage the blades. If you don't have this substance, then a cleaning wipe will do. Now use the other side of the cloth and wipe off. Now WD-40 is what we will use, but it's not this one, as I used this previously before and it didn't work for me. The one that you need is the WD-40 Silicone Lubricant. This one is especially designed for the rubber materials, can also be used on metals, wood and other materials like the old WD-40. Now this 400ml can costs around £5 in stores. Give it a shake, lift up the narrow spray, apply a good amount on the microfiber cloth and simply wipe it up and down on the rubber blades, also inside the grooves. Apply on the hinge too, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Now before you use the wiper, give your windscreen a good clean. And apply some WD-40 on this hinge too. Let's try this out. Sounds so much better than before. I did hear one odd squeak, but guys, it's done the job for me. And you can apply the WD-40 silicone spray to your car motor belts to preventing squeaking too. A wide range of tasks you can tackle with this spray. Take care guys, peace.